4 foods to get rid of a cough in seconds. 1. Honey. It's a natural cough suppressant that helps soothe the throat and reduce irritation. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties can also help fight infections that may be causing the cough. Comment below where you're watching from. Secondly, ginger. It has powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can help relax airway muscles and reduce coughing. Drinking ginger tea or chewing a small piece of raw ginger with honey can soothe a sore throat and ease congestion. Thirdly, pineapple. It contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps break down mucus and reduce throat inflammation. Drinking fresh pineapple juice or eating pineapple slices can help clear airways and provide relief from a persistent cough. Follow me for more tips. Lastly, garlic. It's rich in